In this video, I will show you how to change your Windows password on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come and click into your search box in your taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to type settings, and then open up your settings underneath best match. Once you're in your computer settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto accounts, and from here what you want to do is scroll down a bit to the account settings section and click onto sign in options. Now from here in the ways to sign in section, you're going to see the option for password. Give that a click. This we can come to add or change any existing Windows passwords. So you're going to see a change button when you click this. Give that a click, and what it's going to do is bring up a window asking you to enter your current password. So you want to enter that and then click next at the bottom. What you can then do is enter your new password into the next screen. Make sure to enter the confirm password, and you can also add a password hint as well. Once that's done, click next at the bottom and then click finish, which is going to change your password. So that's how to change your Windows password in your Windows 11 computer or laptop. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.